guys, welcome back for a new video. We are here at Roadrunner, and guess what I got? Vibrant Performance. So this is my resonator. I got a new one. I'll be replacing my factory one with this one, less restrictive, and we're gonna be doing interesting things with this. But yeah, new resonator, and we're waiting for our turn, so I'm gonna let you guys know when we're up. So yeah guys, our turn is up right now. He's working on it. Here we are. Look at those sparks though. You can see the scratches from here, kind of, from when I was slammed. There we go. Imagine leaving it like that. Nah, I wouldn't do that. There we go guys, we started welding already. Yo, that shit is steaming. Damn. While he's working on that, check this out. That is amazing there. Imagine that on this. Nah, I don't think so. Alright guys, check this out. From that big one over there to this one. Next up will be that. But not bad. Let's see how it sounds. Damn. Anything you guys need, check out my boy right here. He does an amazing job. That shit's on dope. Check this out.
I just wanted to let you know I just did a wrap for
What you
you
think?
right
New wheels? Maybe?
Snap. So
Maybe. Comment down below which one should I get.
Okay.
These are dope. Truck builds. Honda boys.
You guys have any questions or anything?
These are nice.
Alright.
Damn, check these out. These are nice.